Footsteps echo in the rain, shadows creep through window panes, a paw print left in the mud. A flicker of gold in the night, eyes that glow like a beacon light. The chase begins in the flood. Whiskers twitch, the scent is near. A hero's heart, no room for fear. Whiskers and paws side by side, through the storm, through the fight. They solve the dark, they break the code. Together they carry the load. The dog barks sharp like a gun. The cat leaps swift, the hunt begun. Clues unravel one by one. A villain hides in the dark, but courage ignites a spark. The duo won't be Footsteps echo in the rain, shadows creep through window panes, a paw print left in the mud. A flicker of gold in the night, eyes that glow like a beacon light. The chase begins in the flood. Whiskers twitch, the scent is near. A hero hide, no room for fear. Through the storm, through the fight, they solve the dark, they break the code. Together they carry the The dog barks sharp like a gun. The cat leaps swift, the hunt begun. Clues unravel one by one. A villain hides in the dark, but courage ignites a spark. The won't be outdone.
jungle whispers tales of dread. Leaves shiver where shadows tread. A serpent's coil, a hunter's grin. The trial starts, the fear sinks in. Crocodile eyes, they gleam like fire. Teeth like daggers, their hunger dire. 3 trials to face, 3 steps to fall. Will courage rise or answer the call? Snakes twist like rivers through the vines. Their hiss a warning, their venom a lines. Fangs strike sharp, the air grows thin. A race with death, a game to win. The drums beat low, the heart beats fast. Each breath feels like it might be the last. Crocodile eyes, they gleam like fire. Teeth like daggers, their hunger dire. 3 trials to face, 3 steps to fall. Will courage rise or answer the call? Through beastly roars and endless night, a flicker of hope, a fleeting light. Sweat and blood, the price to pay. To see the dawn, to find a way.
Whispers of leaves in the forest deep. Shadows stretch wide where the secrets sleep. Goldie boy steps with a cautious tread. Heart of a lion, but the night feels dread. The moonlight flickers, the air turns cold. A crack of a branch, a story unfolds.